Does anyone feel like store-bought granola bars have been shrinking in size and going up in price? I certainly have, and so homemade granola bars is a perfect option to cut costs and to know exactly what ingredients are going into your snacks. This recipe is so simple and so flexible. Let's get started. To a large bowl, add in 2½ cups organic rolled oats, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of organic coconut flakes, and 1 cup of what I will call extra ingredients. You can add in toasted walnuts, almonds, pecans, dried cherries, whatever your family will enjoy. Today I'm adding in chocolate chips and chopped, roasted, and salted pistachios. All right, let's give this a good mix. Next, add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and mix it again well. Okay, now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of avocado oil, 1/3 cup of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I like to take a measuring cup and add the oil first, then you pour the honey on top of the oil so that your honey does not stick to the side of your container. Mix well. Line an 8x8 pan with 2 strips of parchment, creating a crisscross. Put the mixture in your pan and place another piece of parchment on top. Press down evenly. And I'd like to say, press down nice and hard during this part. Now we're going to bake our granola bars at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Once we are done baking, they need to cool completely before we cut them into granola bars. I even pop them into the fridge or the freezer to make the process move more quickly. Now that these are cool, we are ready to cut them. This is a great recipe to keep around for quick grab-and-go snacks that are healthy and cost-effective. And the best part is, you can make them different every time and keep it new and fresh. I hope you enjoy these homemade granola bars like we do.